Headlines: The final and seventh phase of Lok Sabha election ends. Stray incidents of violence reported in West Bengal. Amuko accuses centre of inciting hatred to disintegrate Manipur. 13 women agitators remanded to 4-day police custody. And bomb exploded at doctor's residence in Imphal, no human casualties. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. The seventh and final phase of Lok Sabha election 2019 was held today in 59 constituencies, including in Varanasi, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is seeking to retain the seat. All eyes are set on the state of Uttar Pradesh, which comprises 80 Lok Sabha seats. The BJP in 2014 Lok Sabha polls had made a sweeping victory. The state holds Congress bastion Amethi and Rai Bareli, along with PM Modi's constituency Varanasi. Over 10 crore people will decide the fate of 918 candidates across 7 states and 1 union territory. Polling was held in all 13 seats in Punjab and an equal number of seats in Uttar Pradesh, 9 in West Bengal, 8 seats each in Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, 4 in Himachal Pradesh, 3 in Jharkhand and the lone seat in Chandigarh. Among the prominent candidates are PM Modi and Ravi Shankar Prasad of the BJP and Shatrughan Sinha and Manish Tiwari of the Congress. More than 46.53% voting was recorded till 4 p.m. in Varanasi constituency. Polling has been peaceful and no major incident of violence were reported. Maximum polling was recorded in the Savapuri Assembly segment, 49.30%, followed by 48.33% in Rohania, 40.39% in Varanasi North, 47.11% in Varanasi South and 44.40% in Varanasi Kant, according to reports. BJP veteran and former MP from Varanasi Murali Manohar Joshi was among the prominent faces who voted. There are 18.54 lakh voters in the constituency, where 1,819 polling booths were set up and 273 of them were categorized as critical, and there were also 145 model booths and 1 pink booth staffed only by women. Technical glitches, primarily malfunctioning of the EVMs and stray incidents of violence were reported in the 7th and the last phase of polling in West Bengal today. Voting across the 9 seats started slowly as EVMs in different parts of Kolkata and adjoining areas were not functioning in the early hours, resulting in anger and frustration among voters. There were reports of violence at Raidighi Assembly seat under Mathurapur Lok Sabha seat and Deganga Assembly segment under Barasat Lok Sabha seat. Crude bombs were hurled at both these places last night and today morning, resulting in huge deployment of security forces to contain the situation. In Newtown, that falls under Barasat Lok Sabha seat, crude bombs were found in 2 plastic containers. The 9 seats went to poll in Kolkata North and Kolkata South in the metropolis, Damdam, Barasat, Basirhat in North 24 Chobbish Paragnas and Jadavpur, Diamond Harbour, Jayanagar SC and Mathurapur SC in South 24 Paragnas respectively. The Election Commission deployed 710 companies of Central Armed Police Forces for the last phase of elections in the state. These forces provided 100% static postings at all the 17,500 polling booths where polling was held during the day. Preparations for observance of the 18th Great June Uprising Unity Day 2019 are in progress. A press meet was held at the memorial site of Kekrupad, where President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization and the Chairman of the Observance Core Committee PH Devan Sharma alleged that the Government of India has been trying to divide and disintegrate Manipur through various tactics on many occasions. It may be mentioned that the earlier one committee of June 18th event has been divided into core committee and subcommittee to ensure smooth conduct of the function. PH Devan has been appointed as the chairman of the core committee. United Committee Manipur UCM President Sunil Karam as the vice chairman, Secretary General of UCM Kuraijam Athoba as the convener, and General Secretary of Amuko S. Sanjoy as the co-convener. 2 members each of 8 committees, namely Mobilization, Transport, Finance, Publicity and Invitation Program, Medical, Reception and Refreshment, and Presidium member and Martyrs family has also been formed for the observation. P. Devan urged for fullest public support to make the program success. He said that there are myriad issues including that of border facing Manipur now. Devan also accused the centre of trying to incite hatred among the people. He added, "We must overcome all hurdles and follow the footsteps of the brave heart and mindful of the future generation."
अमसुंग अखोय मयाम गे हाइबो वाखलोंदा चंगचिन मिनद्रगदी मणिपुर से नोम नत्रगा नोमदी मुटखिगनी होजि अकीबा मयाम अम लेरी लमखैगी अकीबा आदगिदि कांगलुप सिंगी मरकी अकीबा सिद नतना मपानदगी फुजलइबा तोंगान तोंगानबा मिरोल मी मयाम अमा लागांदा मणिपुर से अखोयगी लैहो मी ओइना लैजरंबा मियाम सिंजिंग ngasiदी हिंगद्रा नत्रगना सिगद्रा हाइबसिगी लांगो लांगदाइदा लैबा अदुगुम मतम अमा खंगनी अदुना आइगी कम्युनिटी खक्तंगी वाखलोंदा यूफम थबक तौबसिना अखोगी अपुनबगी लिंगजेलो लैत्रगदी मपानदगी लाइबा मयामसिंग असिना अखोगी लमदम असी योटखरगनी अखोई येलौमी मयामसिंग असिना माइनॉरिटी तारकपगी फिबम मयामसिंग असे इशू मयामसिंगिना पिकथना लैरिबसिंग असे अखोई पुन्न खनरगा पुन्न वारेप लौमिनरगा अखोई थबक चंगजिन मिनद्रगदी अखोई अकीबा लै.
Speaking to the media, UCM President Sunil Karam said that people from Assam, Tripura, Bangladesh, Myanmar will take part in the event. He further said the committee will also take a public decision on this day and appeal to all not to call any bandh, blockade or create any kind of disturbance on this important day.
Manipur Myanmar, Amukom UCM, Lamjing Akan Manipur Myanmar, Sanctuary, Housing Powder. Manipur ki apun bagi saktam se kairo roidra hai bagi chap chaba guarantee toba government of India amasu Manipur government na piba ngam dabaduna maram orkana ai koi observation se tangai padana ai koi Manipur ki apun bagi saktam na senior koi aro ya se ai koi masi Manipur miyang gi selen jamani an ai koi hojik thamjani wafam de hojik government of India na sengna haira kanda ai koi Manipur se part and parcel koi amma oraga so India ki citizen amani India ki citizen amma oitaragadi Manipur de yengiba fruit masengi se equal right, equal opportunity, magi not culture tradition punamak se ngakna thamgadabani haibani sigi against the government of India na hiram ama natraga amada aikoi gi Manipur da khondamina riba aikoi masel gi marakta aikoi gi singshep thajan se masi leptna lai ana hairiba wapam mayam singse aikoi tongan tongana hingminari ba aikoi punchirol gi marak sidadi aikoi yaroi haibase Hena achepa pirep amagalona koi lomina nugi damakta koi pirep khongthang chi lokhacharakpani.
13 women agitators were involved in a case of alleged vandalism inside the complex of Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East, Lamphilpath yesterday, were produced before the same court which remanded them to police custody for 4 days. That is till 21st of this month. The incident happened when Kujamayum Helen, the prime accused in the murder case of Kunjamayum Arun, was brought by police at the CJM Imphal East Court complex. As the police tried to present her in the court, an angry mob destroyed properties of the court in an act of vandalism. The 13 women who were arrested by police over the incident are Yembem Parchalata, 52, Kunjamayum Devala, 36, Kunjamayum Landhoni, 44, Kunjamayum Tektek, 55, Saikhom Mento, 55, Kangjam Lata, 49, Kunhamayum Abem, 35, Ilambum Surmala, 31, Yembem Achobi, 36, Kunjamayum Ibemcha, 42, and Yembem Jyotisana, 40. Unidentified miscreants hurled and exploded a bomb at the residence of a doctor last night in Imphal's Thangmaiban, Salungbum, Lekai. A dog was injured in the explosion, but human casualties were not reported. The incident happened around 11 p.m. at the courtyard of Dr. Khongban Vyas, aged 50 years, who is currently working as a neurosurgeon at Sija Hospital, Imphal, a police report said today. A case has been registered over the incident and investigations are on. A 30-year-old woman who was stabbed by her husband on May 4th succumbed last midnight at Raj Medicity Hospital, Imphal, after undergoing 6 days of medical treatment. Nupi Akupi died at 12:30 a.m. The accused husband, Mayang Mayum Rafi, aged 35 years, from More Ward No. 5 Muslim Nagar, Lekai, is currently in judicial custody in connection with the knife attack. President of Manipur Muslim Council, More MD Jalauddin, told media persons that a meeting was held at the council's office shortly after the knife attack occurred, during which it was decided that Rafi Uddin's family should bear all medical expenses of Akupi, and no family member of Rafi Uddin will be allowed to leave More when the case is underway. He added that a meeting will be held this evening to review the decision. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, rupees 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, rupees 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly rupees 250, half yearly rupees 1500, quarterly rupees 750, yearly rupees 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja lising Machapan Marifum Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moine Lereklaba Nauka Gi Infal Center Mahangjare TV Medifon Konjel Loinana Nil Kongum from the Tabangam Dabi Awab Mayok Nadibanaha Al Kudimag Wabi Rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic Tangasimak Lension Directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable Odaba digital hearing aid Hapiu Tabangam Pangalwana Badomi Kangachana Singles Powers Tambio I could lay from the Nagamapal Main Road Pawai Sangam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Welcome back. As a part of the ongoing search drive conducted by Imphal West District Police at several hotels and lodges in Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar in Imphal City, this morning under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal West AG Sharma, a police team searched Hotel Avenue, Niran Lodged, Polo Inn, Hotel GM and Hotel Embassy. And during the search drive that started from 11:30 a.m. and continued till 12:20 noon, the cops picked up one man and a woman from GM Hotel and handed over to City Police Station. As part of the International Day of Biodiversity, a division-level painting competition under the theme Our Biodiversity, Our Food, Our Health was held for students of classes 5 to 12 at K.M. Blooming Higher Secondary School, Thoubal today. The painting competition was jointly organized by the Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee, Manipur and Divisional Forest Officer Thoubal under the leadership of Divisional Forest Officer of Thoubal Forest Division L. Devala. Over 350 students from different educational institutions from Thoubal Division area took part in the competition. The prize distribution ceremony for the competition will be held on May 22nd along with observance of International Day of Biodiversity 2019 at Divisional Forest Office Thoubal. DFO Thoubal L. Devala, Deputy RO Forest Martin, President of WBCC Rabi Takhilamam, Secretary of WBCC and Forest staffs and WBCC members also attended the event. The Directorate of Environment Government of Manipur has organized a one-day district-level stakeholders workshop on revision of State Action Plan on Climate Change SAP CC verse 2 at Community Center Babupara, Jiribam today. Adhyaksha of Jiribam KH Janaki Devi, Honorary Advisor of State Climate Change Manipur and former member of Steering Committee NER Vision 2020 donor, Government of India, and Mohendra Singh, Chairperson of Jiribam Municipal Council S. Santi Devi, MD of Thangjum Agro Industries TH Joykumar, ADC of Jiribam Bobby, Joint Director Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Dr. NG Ibotombi Singh, Assistant Project Officer Department of Agriculture KH Nimaichand Singh, Assistant Engineer of CADA Virendra Rajkumar, and Board Member of Khadi and Village Industries P. Ibochobus Singh attended the workshop. Advisor of State Climate Change Manipur and former member Steering Committee NER Vision 2020 donor, Government of India, and Mohendra said Jiribam's climatic condition is quite pleasant despite many considers it otherwise. He urged each and everyone to abstain from deforestation as it contributes to global warming. He further said one should maintain the present pleasant climatic condition of Jiribam by checking further deterioration. Adhyaksha of Jiribam KH Janaki Devi appreciated the Directorate of Environment Government of Manipur for conducting such workshops, giving an awareness to the public of Jiribam on environment. She urged each and everyone to come out and participate in such workshops and work together to make a model and develop Jiribam. Other dignitaries like Joint Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Dr. NG Ibotombi Singh, Assistant Project Officer Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region Department of Agriculture KH Nimaichand Singh spoke on climate change and its effect on agriculture and allied sector. Assistant General of CADA Virendra Rajkumar also delivered his speech on climate change with regard to water sector, while MD of Agro Industries TH Joykumar Singh spoke on general environment. "43 Assam Rifles at Moreh handed over a 4-room modern toilet to Jehovah Jerry Children Home located near National Highway 102 on Indo-Myanmar border town of Moreh today. Major Rajiv Kumar of the battalion handed over the toilet to the home, which currently has 31 children. Member of Autonomous District Council Chandel, Chennaiba Haukip, members of all community development organizations Moreh, and Major Rajiv Kumar jointly inaugurated the toilet. In an achievement for the government school, Sorokhaibam Modhuchandra of Thobal Charangpad High School secured the 22nd position in the High School Living Certificate Examination 2019. He expressed his desire to pursue further studies and appear in Civil Services examination. Modhuchandra is the son of Sorokhaibam Randhawan and Premapati from Charangpad Maninglaikai. He, along with 3 other students, clinched the 22nd position in the examination. Modhuchandra attributed his success to the support of his family and the teachers of his school. Since he couldn't afford private tuition, he would consult the teachers of CR school when he had any doubts, and he also gave credit to teachers for his success. A confident Modhuchandra further said that people can achieve anything if they set a goal. He reiterated that he will work hard for Civil Services examination. Modhuchandra's mother Premapati had to face hardships to provide education for her son after her husband left home 6 years back. She regretted the fact that she failed to fulfill the desire of her children.
Tuition chaningba adagi honaningba gi mayam leijaba adubu aina leitabani magi haibadi maning thunghanbadi ngangidaba adu aina isata hai ei bungo nang honabada lewkanu nangi khangdabaje school ni ojajingda nang tanau adugane nang honau haidana in isada yamna pungning thogali adubu ma ahing tumdaba makai ma honajai magi ngamba lebenda ma honai isada wana honaraga mana mai paklak haibase ai jadikumatik hainingai leituna ai harauje
exam ji appear to aina preparation tawrakpadi school gi ai huji tamiba Sarangpa high school gi oja jingi mayum da chatlagasu ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯜꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯒ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯒꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯗꯔꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯊꯤꯗꯅ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯃꯛ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖꯇꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯁꯥꯅꯕꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯅꯤꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯗꯔꯛꯑꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯍꯪꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤ
Time for a short break. Stay tuned.
आर्टिस्ट खरा लौजगदौरी मणिपुरी टेली सीरियल निरूपमागीदमक्ता आर्टिस्ट खरा लौजगदौरी थवाई यावबा नुपा अमसुंग नुपी आर्टिस्ट सिंगना मसागी फोटोग्राफ अमसुंग बायोडाटागा लोइनना टॉम टीवी दा पिसिनबियु अकुपा मरोलगीदमक कांटेक्ट तौबिरउ 8837265974 नत्रगा 9402991938
निरुपमा निरुपमा निरुपमा
Hey, Bema, exam pass to bugi haraugi di leitena unga phami du karigino.
Pamoyage school puna taminradi ai like tamatoge.
Ai ai ma amta ngai ko. Nangbu khoi IBM ga lairik punna tamina ba tanbrane.
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯟ ꯇꯣꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁꯀ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯟ ꯇꯣꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯕꯥꯆꯧ
ꯍꯩ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯍꯩ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗꯨꯕꯣ ꯍꯥ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯅꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯆꯉꯥꯡꯒꯩ ꯎꯁꯤꯀꯣꯟꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯂꯦꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯗ MILꯒꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ free medical checkup.
Hey, nangbu adiyam phaba school am phangaga nacha ani gi form loruktridi karigino.
Taso oisu apam mina te kai dorage. Say form.
Lauri en he.
Welcome back. Secretary of Wakha Youth Club Naurem Dorin has said that the people of Wakha will not allow the construction of Manipur Cultural University in the area. Speaking at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, he said that contrary to the agreement reached with the residents, land has been encroached in various places without the knowledge of the local residents. They took the decision to bar the construction work after the concerned authority and Kshetrigao Kendra MLA Nahakpam Indrajit turned a deaf ear despite repeated requests.
अखोई Kshetrigao Kendra के MLA से Nahakpam Indrajit सिंह आदा अखोई 10 टाइम अखोई सही IT सुर अहन बाबू चलगा अखोई मोन याद के लखुक पेरमो सी मते के लखुक अते जी सानि मोन साहरो न अखोई हाजे रुम मतम मत या बिरक्तर बदगे कोसाव न अखोई प्रजा सिंहना होजि अखोई वाखै प्रजा सिंहना कल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी साबे तंगाई फन थिंजल लसी हाइबा फिरब द खोंथांग अजि दक्सलकपनि हाने के फिबम द अखोई प्रकृति के फजब फिबम द लेंग काहाइन खलदु काहाइन थमसे न अखोई फिरब लौजरे अदो ngasi अखोई थलमिबा दासिनम कॉन्फ्रेंस असि अखोइना दे पाकसना पाउदम ngam ngasi के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस दा अखोई प्रेस लाइबा इसिंगाव सिंगना अखोई मणिपुर सिनथुंगना ngasi कल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी सारगे सागने तमो साहल द्रिबक्सि मरम अखोइ फोंदोक जरिबसिना मियाम पुना खंगमिन नमरबगि दमक तांजा अखोइ लौजमने अदुगा पांजनिंग बामना करिगुमा अखोइना हाइबा बजेक्सिमा यानरम तारकदे मसे मनामनि नाइदना मै थबक पाइखत होबो यारमने अदु तंगाइ पदन होजि अखोइना 10 टाइम हाइजर बगै MLA नो लखथोक पिसि यारत्रबसिदा अखोइ खोइसाउनबदगि असावबा लोइनना नपि नपा खाक्तना अखोइ मफमसे धारणा तौदना अवाबा काय खांगदना कन्नो तकना फाउबद यारतबदगि अखोइगी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कल्चरल से साबा पुंथिंग थिंजन जरगे हाइना अखोइ ngasi खोंथांग हेलाउ लखलकपनि थैंक यू
Secretary of Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) S. Samungo today said the front will organize a poster campaign against mob justice on 26th of this month. During a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, as Samungo further said that mob justice has become a trend in the state, due to which many of the innocents are victimized. He said this practice has seriously affected development of the state. He asserted bad governance is the main factor of people taking up law in their own hands. Hence, the poster campaign aims to make the masses more decent and logical.
Mob justice anyhow ikoi tawdaba taiba se court case ama thingnaba matamda sakhi adigi police ta taw matamda police na kana khangi ui kamai tawi haiba matamdu dana ikoi ki dana natraga madu ai hairogadi keno tawwa yai haidana tawdraga hekta punjalaga adu tawramani haidana hekta ikoina courta adigi migi mayum thugaiba yangaiba tawba mayam singa se masina ikoi gi lebak sida continue tawdana sum lairaba adoi tadi ikoi saukhutpagi lamjenda mang thararoi.
Kanglei Park News Tengbang Loop has extended monetary assistance to Jayanta of Thobal Laishengthim Wangmataba, who has been left immobile since childhood following an accident. Loop Publicity Secretary Rose Maibum took the main responsibility for extending the help to Jayanta. It may be mentioned that Tom TV recently telecast a story about Jayanta.
Laishengthim Wangmataba haibo phamasida ekogi hana Tom TV gi mai kai dagi su lebak miamna koi thodo hindukna koi phamasida isi amadi tamo haitare ani sigi han ba icha nupa phangje ba icha nupa si sahi ngasi dagi na sahi tare nipan gi mamang dagi na duna huji phawda phamung da yata duna adum lumak leibiri to ba phamasida ikoi Kanglei Park News Tengbang Loop na angam sinpham kharadang mateng pangsi haiduna anaba sisu thuna phanabagi damakta hoina khoi myam si ba phamsida humna laksabani.
Thangmoiban Kendra Development Organization felicitated gold medalist of the 4th Indian Open International Taekwondo Championship 2019, K.H. Grabita Devi, and 4th State Level Yoga Championship gold medalist Marina Golmai at Khoyathong Community Hall today. At the event, MLA K.H. Joy Kishan encouraged by giving Rs 30,000 to K.H. Grabita and Rs 20,000 to Marina.
National champion or Miss Case Gravitada, which I'm Zambakudol and Singuntra Katanga, Tunda, Mongolino, Mateng Pangsabani, Aduga, Miss Marina Golmaidana, Aquina State Case champion or Possession Namaga Koina, Mark Mangwanda, Kudor Point in Pijabani, Tunga Su, Tamibangi, Shanarikia, Horposida, Hena Papa, Oinaba, Chakopo, Pepper Mongol, Aquina Pijari.
Manipur audition for Miss and Mrs. Globe India was held at Gold Gym Singjamai today. The theme of the upcoming pageant is Camping Against Human Trafficking, Let's Plea and Make Them Free. State Director of the audition, Asha Kiran Konsam, said that this is the first audition held for Miss and Mrs. Globe India. She asserted that through the pageant, they will display condemnation of human trafficking.
A sense of achievement, it is not always about the beauty that is on the outside. Adubu manungi inner beauty, aduga inner talents and skills. Adugu ma'am this is showcased ubani. Haina kanje iduduna Manipur representative contestants ma'ambu. I give them a my heartfelt, sincere wishes. All the best.
Human trafficking te khoina pamjadabana maram hoituna khoigi beauty pageant gi thudagi causes mayama tawraga khoina khoigi hagolar gi ba huji pamjari ba nipi macha sing amasung yumpalabi nipi macha amasung mogoi singda aduma platform am pina bagi damakta tawjaba adugumba beauty pageant ni sidagi mo khoina Manipur gi khangatlaga hairiba beauty pageant gi represent tawgodori ba nipi macha ahum leshabi amasung mau haip tare ko moije Delhi da mu 29 da June gi Moina Manipur represent India gi mu compete tawgadaba aduga India gi compete tawra matung da madu da mu taragadi international gi amu akhoina mathang amu sillaga hairiba platform je pijeba haitare
Sumaina Manipur da Miss and Mrs. Globe Miss khaktangi nataba khoige beauty pageant amada Mrs. ki arpase sina Manipur da Aiwa mathanda Mrs. si Globe si lakpani yamthina ai experience thaina rapadagi hairagadi yamthina phaina khale as a winner of Miss Aiwa India Maramdi Miss Khakina taba Mrs.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯄꯦꯖꯦꯟꯇꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯔꯆꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯧ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯐꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
3 northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal have been included in the list of 101 elephant corridors on which Wildlife Trust of India and respective state governments are working to protect the same for wild pachyderms. Apart from the 3 northeastern states, the other states of the country where the elephant corridors exist are Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal and Uttarakhand. In the northeastern, man-elephant conflicts are mostly reported from Assam and Meghalaya every year. As per a report, 400 to 450 people die in man-elephant conflicts every year, whereas the elephant casualty crosses 100. Republican lawmaker Justin Amash said that he believed Donald Trump has engaged in impeachable conduct, becoming the first politician of his party to call for removing the president from his party. The Michigan representative also accused Attorney General William Barr of deliberately misleading the public over the actual content and tenor of Special Counsel Robert Mueller's report on Russian interference aimed at tipping the election to Trump. Amash said few members of Congress even read Mueller's report, which identified multiple examples of conduct satisfying all the elements of obstruction of justice. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. France turn foe. NPF decides to pull out of BJP-led government. CS warns against abnormal growth. The People's Chronicle. NPF to part ways with BJP. HSLCE results declared. Highest success rate recorded. Government school student among top 25 position holders. Chief Minister held students, teachers, officials. Farmers want water, not Kisan credit cards. Imphal Free Press. Private schools ahead, but government schools showing sign of recovery. Pass percentage of 76.60 and HSLC exam highest since 1973. HSLC first position holder Bhumika eyeing to become scientist. Second position holder Arvind aspires to become IAS officer. Students should not be hindered by failures, says Sophia. I will continue studies in private schools, says Julandia. The Morning Bell. NPF pulls out of state government. State witnesses highest overall pass percentage in HSLCE with 74.69. Milal laments over non-inclusion of Meitei Mek in Karachi. Supreme Court. Foreigner Tribunal decision will succeed over NRC. Arun murder case. Protesters attack court by pelting stones. 13 protesters arrested. Manipur Mail. Women protesters held in court premises. Women produced before court. Girl tops HSLC exam. ICAR signs MOU to transfer food processing technologies.
Now before we wrap up, the top stories once again. The final and 7th phase of Lok Sabha polls ends. Stray incidents of violence reported in West Bengal. Amuko accuses center of inciting hatred to disintegrate Manipur. Thirteen women agitators remanded to 4-day police custody. And bomb exploded at doctor's residence in Imphal, no human casualties. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.